In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a call in Dialpad. We'll be working in the desktop web version, so this is perfect if you prefer using a browser instead of the mobile or desktop apps. By the end, you'll feel confident making your first call with just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to the Dialpad web app. Sign in the way you normally do. Using a modern, up-to-date browser helps everything run smoothly, and a stable internet connection will make your call sound clear. If you're using a headset or built-in microphone, make sure it's connected and selected on your computer so Dialpad can use it during the call. Once you're signed in, look for the phone icon, also called the dialer. It typically looks like a small phone handset and is easy to spot in the navigation bar. Click it to open the dialer panel. This is where you'll start every call from the web app. In the dialer, you can either type the name of a contact or enter a phone number directly. If your organization's directory is connected, names will start to appear as you type. That makes it quick to find coworkers and frequent contacts. If you're calling someone who isn't saved, just type or paste their number. You don't need to add formatting like parentheses or dashes. Dialpad handles that for you. For international calls, include the correct country code if your plan supports it. As soon as you see the right person in the search results, click their name to select them. If you've entered a full phone number instead, simply press Enter on your keyboard. Dialpad will begin dialing right away. You'll see a call screen indicating that it's ringing, and you may hear a ringback tone. While you're waiting for the other person to pick up, keep an eye on the call window so you're ready when the call connects. During the call, you'll notice controls like mute, speaker options, and the keypad displayed on the screen. These tools are there to help you manage the conversation as needed. If you realize you selected the wrong contact or number before the call connects, you can cancel the attempt and start again from the dialer. That's all there is to it. Open the Dialpad web app. Click the phone icon, type a name or number, and select the contact or press Enter to start calling. With this simple flow, you can reach anyone quickly and professionally right from your browser. Thanks for watching, and happy calling.